Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is the Karcher quick release probe. Now you'll see that this has got 1/4" BSP male thread on now with cone shape to go onto a fitting. When you come to fit this, you've got the 2 flat sides to get hold of with your, put the spanner on, and obviously a bit of PTFE tape depending. If it's cone to cone, you don't need PTFE tape. This goes into the quick release of the gun. Sometimes if it's going into the gun, be careful what fitting you're using, because obviously it goes fair up inside the gun, but this is also goes to the machine side as well. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.